Hey there, Treviso Bay fans. Roberto Lee here at Treviso Bay. Today we're going to preview our listing in Avellino. It's Unit 2112. It's the Bromelia floor plan, part of the veranda line of condos here at Treviso Bay. This is a non-golf condo, so you don't have any additional golf fees. No golf membership comes with this one. One of the great things about the veranda floor plan is you get this front lanai and a sliding glass door leading into your kitchen area right from the exterior here. It's a 2-bedroom with den floor plan. You get a 1-car detached garage with this. As you come in directly to our left is the guest bedroom here. And then you have your typical bifold closet for your clothes there. And directly across is the washer and dryer, hot water tank here enclosed in this closet. And then you have your guest bathroom here with the combination tub and shower. Now directly across is the access to the kitchen. The Bromelia has 2 pantry closets here, which is really nice. And again, here's that sliding glass door leading you out to the front lanai, and you can see the entrance to the single car garage directly out front there as well. And this kitchen here has granite countertops, wood cabinets, stainless steel appliances, overlooks the great room area here. And one of the other nice features about the kitchen is that you have a recessed ceiling here with some backlighting, which is really nice as well. Now coming out into the main area here, directly on the left is the den. It's a great flex space to use as an office. 3rd bedroom. You do have these pocket sliding doors here for privacy as well, which is really nice. And that all opens up into your great room area. This here would be where you have your dining room table, a few chairs up at the bar here, and then you would have your couch on this wall facing the opposite side here where you can see the dry bar. And then towards the back of the unit, this is your master suite here, plenty big for a king-size bed and additional furniture. You have the view of the lake directly off the master here, which is really attractive. And then you have his and hers closets. You have the dual sink vanity, commode, and then directly across you have the standalone shower here. Best part about these units though is you do have a rear lanai as well, and you have an awesome view of the lake back here. It's really peaceful and quiet. And you can see off to the side there where the sun would be setting directly over that palm tree there. It's a really picturesque view from this condo here. Again, guys, this unit is for sale and available now. If you're interested, you can give us a call direct at 239-671-4046. You can also email Roberto at trevisobayatnaples.com. That's Roberto at trevisobayatnaples.com. You can also visit our website, trevisobayatnaples.com, for all the latest and greatest information about this community. Guys, thanks for watching. We'll see you soon.